Okay, now I've got my brake free setting in on my barrel. Right now I'm going to do the same thing with my fore cap and my fore end, or my fore end cap. I'm just going to take that brake free and I'm actually going to squirt on the inside of my cap here as well as the outside. And later on, you may be asking why I'm doing that. Later on, we go to clean this. It'll really kind of set in why we're doing that. There's a lot of dirt that can get inside this cap. And this cap is what keeps our barrel and forearm attached to the receiver and pressed up against there firmly. So we want this to be in good working order. And we're just going to take the brake free and we're going to wipe it on the outside. And you'll notice here that the cap for our sling attachment free spins. That's totally normal. This is just a Benelli innovation, and now other shotguns have it, and some of them may have had it before Benelli, but this is just a neat little innovation that keeps your sling from getting real tangled up without having to take it apart. It'll just kind of free spin on there. So we got the brake free wiped in.